Welcome everyone to another video by Apps Associates. I'm Dusty Knight, the Chief Marketing and Alliance Officer here at Apps Associates, where we are a full-service Oracle provider. We have deep expertise across the infrastructure, the applications, the data platform, and most recently, all of the AI capabilities that are embedded into the platform. Today, we've had a couple of videos recently talk about Oracle database at AWS. And today we're going to dive further into, okay, you've made the decision to move to ODB at AWS. What do we do next? And who better to talk about that than Mihir? Thanks for being with me, Mihir. And let's just dive into that question. You know what? Someone's made the decision to go ODB at AWS. Where do they start?
I encourage all of our customers to engage a partner like Apps Associates and us, right, to help navigate this, because this is a somewhat of a complicated process, right? With the marketplace offering, you're going to be dealing with AWS, you're going to be dealing with Oracle, etc. And this is a new process. There's very few individuals on both sides of the fence from AWS and Oracle who've actually transacted a lot of these. And us at Apps Associates being one of the key launch partners for this, we've done probably more than most. So we're able to help you, the customer, AWS and Oracle kind of navigate this process. So this is a marketplace offering. It's a marketplace private offer that you procure as the customer from the AWS marketplace into your account at AWS. So once you've made the decision, you will have to talk to AWS, you will have to talk to Oracle, and we can help as Apps Associates translate and guide you through that process. Now, what are the elements that you're going to need? You're going to need your AWS account ID, the resource ID, where you want this Oracle DB at AWS service to be provisioned into. This is where the private offer, the marketplace private offer is going to be issued, and that is the account that you would then ingest or accept the offer from Oracle. So you will have a OCI order document commitment for Oracle DB at AWS. Now, the beautiful thing about this marketplace offer with Oracle DB at AWS, it does allow you to retire any PPA agreement commitments that you have with AWS, right? Let's say I've already fulfilled all my PPA agreements with AWS. Well, depending on the size of the workload you're migrating, you might be able to renegotiate better discounting terms across your PPA by adopting the service into it. So it's not like other marketplace offerings at AWS. It is a one-to-one retirement of PPA commitments. Other marketplace offerings are typically 25% on the consumption price, but on ODB at A, it's a one-to-one, which is beautiful. So we're allowed to bring in Oracle DB at AWS into our AWS account, and we're able to retire it. So the number one thing you're going to need is an AWS account ID. Now, after that's done, you're going to need the buyer's email address, right? So this is the user that will accept the notification in that private offer. And they will have the privilege of accepting this in the AWS Marketplace private offer. So we're going to need to provide the buyer's email address, right? And then you're going to need an administrator details, right? The first name, last name, email address of the administrator, right? So this user will become the OCI administrator during the AWS and OCI tenancy provisioning and linking, right? So during the onboarding process, this is the user that receives the email for the OCI cloud to activate the new OCI tenancy, right? So even though I'm procuring it through AWS, it's through the AWS GUI, etc., there are elements of it linking into OCI, right? So this is why a launch partner like Apps Associates and a partner that's familiar with both the AWS ecosystem accounts, etc., and an OCI tenancy and compartment constructs, etc., are key, right? We can guide you through those things. If you're an AWS partner and you're like, I have no idea what you're talking about in terms of tenancy and compartment and this and that and ODB network and all that, this is why a partner like us would be beneficial to a customer. We can guide you through that process to activate and provision the service within your AWS account construct.
Not an easy process, but definitely one that you can assist with. So I thank you for an insight there. And if you'd like to connect with Mihir and have him actually walk you through that process, then feel free to reach out to us here at Apps Associates. As always, like and subscribe. And we look forward to bringing you more videos just like this one. Have a good day, everyone.